A new feature is now available in miiosmile360. It allows new users, and existing ones, to configure their virtual laboratory quickly and effortlessly. This option is available exclusively to users with an administrator role in the platform. The first step is to make sure the user has, or will have, admin privileges, so the configuration flow can continue. It is essential to provide the correct email address, as this is where the configuration key will be sent at the end of the process. Next, we identify the profile and specific activity of the laboratory. The app will guide you toward a fully personalized setup based on your workflow and preferences. Each activity type generates a configuration tailored precisely to that operational model. In this example, we select a dental laboratory profile. Now we define the production structure. Are employees organized into production departments with clearly defined roles for each stage? Or does each technician handle an order independently, from impression to final product? We will proceed with the first option, a multi-stage production workflow with technicians assigned to departments. After this important step, the app will suggest general work categories specific to your type of activity. You simply select the categories that match your laboratory. Next, you will see a complete list of products associated with each selected category. You can select or deselect products to keep only those you actually produce. This is where the real intelligence begins. Based on your selections, the app automatically generates individual production workflows for each type of work and assigns users to every production phase. These users are demonstration profiles designed to illustrate how the application functions. You can later rename them, replace them with real team members, or remove them entirely. At the end of the process, you will receive a configuration token. After creating your admin account, or if you already have one, simply enter this token inside miiosmile360. Your entire configuration will be transferred automatically into your account, exactly as you defined it. The purpose of this process is simple: to help you start using the platform from day one without spending hours on manual setup. And of course, everything remains fully customizable. You can add new products, define pricing for each item, and even set preferential pricing for individual clients. Complete flexibility, full control. You can immediately begin registering and managing cases.
miiosmile.com, your effortless guide for every task.